Hi, my name is Daniel, and in this video I'll show you how to create an image carousel and add it to a BigCommerce store. Let's get started. The Image Carousel widget is a great addition to any website. To start, enter Common Ninja website. Choose your widget from our large collection of widgets. And once you've entered the widget page, click on the Create button to enter the editor. Here, in the editor, you can edit the content. Select a layout. Customize the look and feel. And change the settings. When you're done, click the Save Changes button to save your work. If you don't have an account on Common Ninja yet, you'll have to register first. When you're ready to add the widget to your website, go back to the dashboard. Now, on the dashboard, you'll see the widget you've created. Click on the Add to Website button. In the window that opens, copy the code. And close the window. Remember, you can always return to the widget and keep on editing it. Now, let's head to the BigCommerce editor. On the BigCommerce editor, enter the page builder of the page you wish to add the widget. Select the HTML widget on the left panel. Drag it and place it on your page wherever you wish your widget to show. Now, in the code window on the left panel, delete the HTML code and simply paste the code you've copied before. Click the Save HTML button. And click the Save button on the right top corner of the page to save your changes. And that's it. Now, the image carousel will show on your website.